Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to change Etsy privacy settings. Okay, so let's open Etsy application on our device and go to profile picture that is located in the top right corner of your screen. And now you want to go to settings and find a section that says privacy. And this is the page where you can adjust some kind of privacy settings, and in order to disable something you want to move the slider to the left like this, and in order to enable it you want to move the slider to the right like this. And also you can go to going back to settings, you want to visit this link and at the top select privacy, and here you can see more functions that you can do. So for example, permanently close and delete your Etsy account. So here also some functions that are related to your privacy settings. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.